All right, I'm a little out of breath, but quick update. Installed new rear shocks. It was a little tricky because the little tubes inside the bear. I don't know words to describe parts, but essentially I had to grind down the bearings or whatever the fuck they're called. I don't even know. There's rubber bushings and there's that metal part inside it. I just had to make those a little skinnier. So I ripped those on the grinder, and we're good to go on the shocks. I took these bearings. It's like a flanged bearing. Look at how rusty that is. Those are older. Those are older than me. So I took these out of the neck. There was one top, one at bottom. Got those out and ordered some fresh ones. And then I got the bolt was seized. I don't know where it went. The bolt was seized in the on the handlebars, so I cut that off and ordered a fresh one as well. So we're cruising. I got myself a power plant. So that's an 8 horsepower Briggs & Stratton generator. It's a Home Light 4400. So the problem is, and I didn't know this because, I just have no idea what I'm doing. But the crankshaft on these generators is tapered. So basically I'm going to have to, once I get the motor separated from the generator, I'm going to have to tear the motor down and either find a regular crankshaft that's not tapered, or I'm going to take the crankshaft to a machine shop and have them mill it down to, I think it's 3/4 of an inch, and have them add the keyway, I think it's called. So a little more work than I wanted, but I'm okay with it because the motor is in really good condition and it's exactly what I need for this build. We got the gas tank, which is nice and clean. Obviously, I'm gonna have to replace the carburetor. I'll probably get like a 26 millimeter Mikuni. I think that's what fits on these, and then we'll go straight pipe just to scare the kids in the neighborhood. That's about it for now. Just enjoying a tall, cold beer because I'm sweating my ass off in Phoenix. It's about 100 and all the degrees. Oh, so the reason I'm sweating profusely and out of breath is because I had to remove the 30 to 40-year-old tires from these wheels, which was brutal. There's my crowbars. Here, I'll show you the victim. I'm gonna drop it. So this piece of shit. So I tried to cut it off with an angle grinder. And then it looked like I was doing burnouts. It was all smoky and stuff. So I just got down with it with the crowbars. It took me probably a good 30 minutes because they're just rotted and crusty and whatever. So this tire can kiss my ass. Go with the trash. Goodbye. And we got new tires coming in hot. But other than that, the build is progressing. I'm gonna pull the what the fuck is it called? It's a fucking torque converter. So I'm gonna pull this torque converter shaft probably tomorrow, and I don't know, just take it apart, get some of the rust out of it, hit it with some WD-40 and see what the situation is. But if I can keep that, I can keep that. If anybody knows or recommends, like, should I try to save these chains? Should I replace them? Obviously this this belt is not going to be used. The guy I bought it from chucked it on there for a minute. So yeah. And other than that, I have all the parts I need. I just need to find a seat, actually. The seat is kind of weird because it slopes up in the back. But hopefully I can find something that looks cool. And I got a new set of grips, throttle cable. I'll slap those on tomorrow too. But that's it, friends. Stay tuned for more super interesting videos of me sweating my ass off in the garage, trying to resurrect a 50-year-old mini bike. Cheers.